Dementia is a syndrome linked to the ongoing decline of the brain. It can result in memory loss, behavioral changes and problems with mobility, depending on the individual. Typically it is only possible to know whether someone is developing dementia when they first start displaying issues associated with the condition. However, new research has revealed that the eyes could help provide an early diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease, the most common cause of dementia. A team of scientists at the Boston Medical Center in the U.S. discovered a link between biomarkers in the vitreous humor of the eye and confirmed cases of Alzheimer's disease. Vitreous humor is the name for the clear, colorless fluid that fills the space between the lens and the retina of your eye. Researchers also found a link between biomarkers in vitreous humor and chronic traumatic encephalopathy (CTE), a progressive and fatal brain disease associated with repeated traumatic brain injuries. Currently, a diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease is given based on symptoms and cognitive tests, while confirmation is only possible through the examination of the brain post-mortem. CTE, which is often caused by injuries sustained in sports, is also only able to be confirmed after death. However, previous research has linked eye conditions such as glaucoma and neurodegenerative disease, while patients with eye diseases are known to have a higher risk for Alzheimer's disease. In a media release, Boston Medical Center ophthalmologist Dr. Manju Subramanian said, "To our knowledge, this is the first study to investigate the role of vitreous fluid biomarkers and link it to confirmed postmortem brain tissue pathological examination of Alzheimer's disease. Our findings provide further evidence to support the potential role of vitreous biomarkers in early diagnosis and prognostication of diseases like Alzheimer's disease and CTE." As part of the study, which was published in iOS Press, the scientists identified biomarkers, such as total tau and neurofilament light chain, NFL. These proteins in the fluid reflect changes in the brain. In the study that examined 41 people post-mortem, increased tau proteins in the eye fluid were linked to both Alzheimer's disease and CTE. Increased NFL was found in the eye fluid of those with CTE. The team believed the findings could result in the use of eye fluid biomarkers for diagnosing and managing the diseases in the future. The study concluded, the post-mortem vitreous humor biomarker levels significantly correlate with Alzheimer's disease and CTE pathology in corresponding brains, while vitreous NFL was correlated with the CTE staging. This exploratory study indicates that biomarkers in the vitreous humor may serve as a proxy for neuropathological disease. Common symptoms of Alzheimer's disease include memory problems, such as regularly forgetting recent events, names and faces, asking questions repetitively, increasing difficulties with tasks and activities that require organization and planning, becoming confused in unfamiliar environments, difficulty finding the right words, difficulty with numbers and/or handling money in shops, becoming more withdrawn or anxious. Whereas CTE symptoms can include short-term memory loss, confusion, such as getting lost or not knowing what time of day it is, difficulties with planning and organization. Problems with movement. If you think you or someone you know is displaying symptoms of dementia or CTE, you should arrange an appointment with a GP.